What's up, guys? Welcome back. Look what we're gonna go get today. I cannot wait. We're gonna go get a new car. We're doing a new build. You guys know what it's gonna be. Today we're taking out the MR2 SPYDER turboed. I stole Redline Ricer again. We did this about 2 or 3 months ago, and we drove across the entire state to get a car. Today we're not driving all the way across the state, but I found one of my cars that I really want, and I know you guys are gonna want. So let's go ahead and jump in the car. We just topped the MR2 off with gas, got a white monster. We'll go ahead and boost all the way down to go pick up our new car. Let's go ahead and get it, and I'll show you guys here in a minute. Let's go. All right, we're off. We got the necessities, a little bit of boost, a little bit of white monster. Thank you, Redline. This thing is so hot. This thing is melting. And then we got a big stack of cash over here. So we're on our way.
Alright guys, so they just went out for a test drive right now. I'm just recording a quick clip here. Car looks okay for right now. I'm just waiting here with the MR2. But we made it here, boosting all the way. This car's looking so clean right now. Looks so good.
I get it. I'm not around here. Yeah. Will you call that person right now and make sure they answer?
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, I'm here with some guy wanting to buy this. He wants to verify some stuff. Is that cool? He just wants to verify the title and stuff.
The clutch is weird.
It has like no grip.
Yeah, so we just bought it. So we're off on our way. Let's go. So, as you can see, we got a 2004 red Celica GTS 6-speed manual, black leather interior with a Tsunami kit on it. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It needs some love. 160,000 miles on it. We're gonna turbo this. We have one goal, it's to get this thing boosted. I'm also gonna slam it to the ground because it looks goofy right now. But it's gonna be an awesome video. I did it. I got it just for you guys, 100%. This is your guys's. This is my subscriber's car. This is 100% yours. 100% your guys's. I didn't get the best deal on it. The guy, it was hard to negotiate, so it wasn't the best deal, but yeah, looks awesome. So I got Redline driving it. We're gonna swing by a gas station and we'll do some edits for it. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so we got the boosted MR2. And then behind us we got Redline in the Tsunami Celica GTS, and we're on our way. So yeah, I didn't get the best deal on the car, but I got the car and I love the car. And it's an 04, which means I really wanted the black interior. car looks amazing. It looks so good. So just imagine it being slammed and then boosted. I absolutely love that rear bumper. That is my favorite rear bumper. That looks so, so good. Look at that rear bumper, oh my gosh. And we're gonna debadge it. So I'll probably leave the GTS badge on there. We're definitely gonna take that. I'm actually not hating those taillights. I thought I would, but I'm actually not hating them. Come up closer to me on my left hand side real quick. Alright, so I have red line doing the headlights. So let's see if the headlights work. Oh, he's gonna fly by, I guess. All the headlights work, and the fog lights. Bam! Okay, so here it is. So this is a 2004 Toyota Celica GTS Tsunami, like I said. Paint, meh. I don't think I have to get the whole car repainted. I just think it needs re-cleared. Again, I paid a lot for the car. I think I paid a little too much for it. We got a lot of plans though. The main thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to turbokits.com and we're gonna buy a turbo. I always have, let me put this up. I always have them linked down below. So, but what we're gonna do is, because I promised you guys, and I want to deliver on this. I don't know if this is a forever car. It might be, but I did want to deliver on the promise. I showed you guys, said I'm gonna show you guys how to install a turbo kit on this. Speaking of, that car has a turbo kit on it. It's a black label kit from turbokits.com. And I showed you guys how to install that. So I promised you guys I'd do it with the Celica. So we got a 6-speed manual, 2004 Celica GTS to do it. Redline's been driving it, and you guys saw him hit VVTLI, hit VTEC. He said it kind of feels, it's slow. Yeah, he's saying, yeah, it's slow. It's a little slow. He has a XRS. And he's saying the XRS feels, you know, so we have what, 3 2ZZs. So out of the 3, he's saying that this one feels the slowest. It does have a weird exhaust on it. And then it also has a hot air intake, not a cold air, which I think is probably why it feels kind of slow. But right here, this is probably why it feels slow in my opinion. But yeah, 2ZZ in all its glory. It needs love, it needs polished. But I love that it's red in here. I was gonna get a black one, but I'm really glad I got a red one. I think that red suits me more, and I got the red Army back. 2 red cars, 2 black cars, but we're getting the red back. Again, 6-speed manual, so you can see the manual. I'm gonna polish probably the 2ZZ valve cover, and then definitely we'll do the turbo kit, and I'll show you guys how to install it. And then of course we'll do some little trims and things. There's a lot of chrome on the car. It needs more black, but yeah, I love the car and I'm excited. Are you stoked?
I'm so stoked.
He's stoked. Yeah,
it's a good platform.
Yeah, it is a good platform. And what he was saying is that it's a Tsunami, and it looks really good. The rear, as you guys see going down the highway, beautiful. It looks really good. Probably my favorite rear. The rear bumper looks amazing. The exhaust is pretty ugly, but overall it has all the body parts that I wanted. The car is the color that I wanted. And then the main thing, 100% the main thing, we're gonna come inside. It has leather seats, not cloth, not gray, but leather seats. They do need, you know, some love, but the whole car has leather. And then it came with these, what do you think of these floor mats?
They look good.
They actually look, I know, I was actually,
quilted, yeah.
I usually only like OEM stuff, but these are pretty nice, so. So we might keep that. The shifter's huge, huge throw, needs a short shifter, so we'll do one from my website. Interesting stereo, but this right here, look at that, leather door insert. Only reason I wanted this car. This. The last one of these I bought was, or no, the one before this one was leather, but the interior seats were horribly shot. So I'm glad I got really good leather ones. They're not perfect, there's a little thing right here, but they're really good condition for what they are, for being a 2004. How old is this car? 16 years,
yeah,
15 years, 17 years, something like that. So for being the year that it is, it absolutely looks amazing. It just needs love all over. And it does have a slight tint. Listen to that. Oh my gosh. We need a lube that. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Here we go, guys. One more. Oh my gosh. We gotta lube those up. Pretty funny. It did come with a stereo. It is the hottest day in record, I think, today too. We went and got a car. It's like the hottest day. But it did come with like stereo and subwoofers, which I don't really care for any of that stuff. So we're gonna throw all that away, do some rate reduction like my Lotus is. But the reason for this car, all we're gonna do is boost it. That's all we need to do is boost it, and then wheels, lowering it, all that stuff will come later. Redline was saying that the steering wheel kind of shakes a little bit, so it probably needs alignment. I just got new pads, but they're pretty ugly. So we'll see. I mean, compared to the MR2 looks like a small little race car compared to this thing. But all right, so that's it. I'm gonna wrap up the video. We bought another Celica, 100% for you guys. Swing by MITCHDORE.com, grab a short shifter kit, grab a TRD badge, microfiber, whatever you want. Swing by there, grab some Celica parts. We are gonna turbo this car, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it pretty soon. Like, subscribe, hit the like button. I got you a Celica. I got you guys a Celica. I'm back. 6-speed manual GTS. All right, see you guys then.